faces, faces everywhere. People all over town. Some of them are poor and others wear a crown. I've seen a lot, so many faces, joy and pain in different places. Open your mind, set yourself free. Figure it out, what will it be? Sympathize, understand, give love and peace to the other fellow man. Faces, joy and pain.
Look around you. Do you see the faces? What do those faces tell you? Everywhere I go, different faces I see. Faces all around, different faces I see. Some are happy, some in misery. They express joy and pain. No two faces are the
Playing with your life, playing with your soul. They all scream out, I'm the one in control. Killing all the colors, silly stupid games. You know who you are without no names. Don't mess the world cause that's a sequel. Open your mind cause we're talking about the people in the world, all kind of races. Different races, different faces.